You know, we do not conduct elections. Elections are conducted by the IEBC. Our responsibility is to facilitate the IEBC to deliver on its constitutional mandate, period. In other words, we do what the IEBC tells us to do. IEBC will tell us these are the assets we need. In this polling station, we need X number of police officers. Like they told us this morning, we need police officers to escort materials from point A to point B. We give them.
These officers were talent spotted by NIS, and procedurally they have to leave the police service so that they can join NIS. And that's what happened.
We are now ready because we were crossing all the T's and dotting all the I's on how we are going to facilitate the IBC to deliver on its mandate. And I can assure you, from the point of view of the security sector, we are totally ready to provide our facilitation to IEBC.